Hi, good day. My name is Joel Samuel, and today I would like to demonstrate to you of how to promote your Windows Server 2008 to a domain controller, as well as join another computer to that same domain, which is Windows Vista. So first and foremost, you need at least two VMs upon running Windows Server 2008 and Windows Vista upon running. So I've already gone ahead and run my two operating systems, my two VMs. So let's begin with Windows Server 2008. So you want to click the start icon and then type DC promo and then click enter, and you allow it to do all its installation process here. After that installation has finished, then you'll see this icon come up, and all you do here is just click the option next, click next again, select the option create a new domain, click the option new, and here you'll name the domain that you want to name. So you can name it anything.com. So I'll name mine joel.com, click the option next, and it will check to see if this domain is already in use, and if it's not in use it will assign you it. Okay, as you can see the domain is not in use, so they gave us it. So then you'll want to select the 2008 version, then click the option next, click the option next again, click yes, click the option next, and here you will have to give an administrator password. So you can go ahead and create your password. Click the option next. Then you click the option next again, and here it will create your domain, and ensure to select this option to reboot after the installation. So at this stage of the installation, feel free to grab a cup of water or attend to your family members because this part could take very long. Okay guys, as you can see that our VM is restarting. So when it do start, our Windows Server 2008 should be promoted to a domain controller. As you can see that our Windows Server 2008 is restarting. Okay, now we will just log in to our domain, delete, and it's preparing our desktop. So as you can see, we log back in and we will check to see if that our Windows Server 2008 has become a domain controller, has been promoted, sorry, to a domain controller. So we'll close this off, click the option Start, then Network, and as you can see, Windows Server 2008 is no longer in a work group. It is in a domain named Joel. Next thing that we will have to do is add Windows Vista to that same domain named Joel. Okay, in order to add Windows Vista to that same domain, we will have to click the option Start, go to go to Active Directory Tools, and you will select the Active Directory User and Computer. Double click it. Then you right click on the domain, New, select New and Computer, and here you will name the computer that you want to be added into the domain, which is Vista. Click OK, and then we will go across to Windows Vista machine, and then we will add the domain to it. So we will right click Computer and select Properties. After that, then you will select the option Change Settings. Click the option Continue, Change, and select the icon Domain, and you will give the name of the domain, which is joelsamuel.com, and you will click OK, and immediately it will ask you for administrator password. And a password. So click the option New, OK, sorry, and immediately it will ask you to restart your computer. Okay, welcome to joel.com domain, OK, and immediately it will ask you to restart your computer. So then it will ask us to restart our computer, and we will click the option OK, and we will close off these tabs in order for it to restart. And when it do restart, Windows Vista should be added into that same domain. Okay, right, now we will be asked to log in to the domain on Windows Vista. So we'll click New, And here we will enter the same password. And it should welcome us to the domain. Okay, let's see if Windows Vista has been added into that same dual domain. Now we will just have to log back into Windows Server 2008. Type in the same password. And we will check to see if Windows Vista has been added into the domain. Okay, as we could see, ladies and gentlemen, that we not seeing Windows Vista in our networks. So we will go back to Network Center and turn back on all our file sharing and public sharing options. Network and sharing center. And as you can see, all our option is turned off, so we will turn it back on. Apply. Okay. We will turn on file sharing again. And we will check to see if Windows Vista is now added to the domain. So we'll go back on server, and voila, both server 2008 and Vista is added to the dual domain. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you promote a Windows Server 2008 to a domain controller, as well as add or join a next computer to that same domain. It was a pleasure, and please do look forward for other videos. Thank you, and please click the option like and subscribe below.